Good morning, students. I, Professor Basavaraj Koluche, we will discuss today in your subject Event Management, the video number 3 from your first module. In previous class, we have discussed the meaning of event, definition of event. Today, we will just have a glimpse on that, and after that, we will move ahead with the features of event. Event means anything that happens, especially something of importance. It can be a planned public or social occasion. So anything which is planned, which is something special for us, which is important with a viewpoint of public, social or personal. So these kind of activities are considered as event. Event has been defined by various people. In that, Cambridge Dictionary has defined event as anything that happens, especially something important or unusual. The important happening of any activity which is special, which is unusual. Unusual means which won't recur every now and then, or it is not a daily activity. So these kind of happenings are treated as events. So here event has been defined by Getz also. They say that event are temporary occurrence, either planned or unplanned, with a finite length of time. So these are the definitions given by the various authors. Today we are supposed to discuss the features of event. Now any aspect has its own features. Here event has also certain features. In that we have 5 features to discuss today. These features are: number 1, uniqueness. Uniqueness means what? Something different, something new apart from our regular day-to-day activities. So events are unique for everybody. Suppose now Dasra is considered as one of the festival and many people organize events. It is a social event wherein everybody we feel that it is a unique event. Everybody we will be waiting for happening of this uniqueness or this event. So here such kind of events are unique in nature. If you see Ganeshotsav, it is also unique for us. If you see personal programs, if you say wedding or engagement, these are also unique programs for us. So the event is having one of the feature is uniqueness. It is unique, it is new, it is special, it is a very occasional thing which we will be waiting to happen. So the first point is uniqueness. The events are unique in nature. So the first quality or first feature of event is uniqueness. If you see the organizational events also or corporate events, there also the events will be unique, because it may be AGM, it happens only once in a year, or if it may be a product launching which happens it won't happen occasionally, but whenever the new product has been produced or designed or innovated, so that product launching program would be there. So these kind of programs, they happen once in a while, because of which they have a unique identity or uniqueness in its occurrence. So first feature of event is uniqueness. After that, intangibility. Intangibility means the events cannot be touched, the events cannot be carried, the events are only to be felt. So therefore it is the second feature of event. Whenever we are attending any event, any these kind of events, we just have to feel it. We cannot carry that event, we cannot touch that event. So it is treated as one of the feature that the events are intangible in nature, because the events what we attend, we feel them, we enjoy at the moment, and we cannot carry that event throughout. So because of which these events are treated as intangible or intangibility. After that we have rituals. Now here rituals are ritual is one of the feature of event, where in simple terms, ritual means in Marathi we call it as vidhi, or the process of happening. So many of the events what happen in India are rituals which we do, or it is a vidhi, or it is a process which we do every year, or it may be in what we call it is a vidhi what we follow. Dasara, Deepavali, Ganesh festival, Holi. So all these kind of things, whatever we follow, most of the things, most of the events are rituals. In corporate life also, if you check, AGM is also a one type of ritual what an company has to follow every year. So here the feature of a event is rituals. The rituals what we conduct, it may be marriage, it may be say engagement, or it may be a naming ceremony. So all these kind of social events are also considered as rituals. So it is one of the feature of events. After that, we have the fourth feature of event is personal interactions. Now, especially we like events, festivals and all because we meet everybody there. Since man is a human, a social animal, he cannot live alone. He wants the company, or he want to be surrounded with many people, or to have interaction with the people whom to he belongs, his friends, relatives, etc., etc. So here events are such a point where all of us come together, we meet, we discuss, we have interaction with each other, we express ourselves, we communicate with other people gathering there. So events are meant for personal interactions. If you see, even the corporate events, they are also meant for personal interaction, wherein the customers come, they meet, they see. If it is a product launching ceremony, the media, press and all come, some of the customers will be there, wherein the company launches the product, it interacts with them, it is personal interaction there. Or if it is an AGM, all the shareholders, all the stakeholders, they come together, they meet, they personally interact. So these kinds of, either it may be a social event or a corporate event, both the events have personal interaction in its happenings. So these personal interactions are one of the features of events. Since man is a social animal, he wants interaction with the relatives with whom he is working, or friends, etc., etc. So the fourth feature of event is personal interaction. After that, fifth feature of event is time scale. These events are not lifelong events. These events are meant for a specific time. If the time is finished, or the time has gone, the event is finished at that point of time. Every year we used to have Dandiya and Garba during Navratri. So the time span for that was 9 days, from Ghatastapana to Vijayadashmi. So this 9 days is the time scale of that event. Ganesh festival, 11 days, it has its time scale. After that, the event is finished. AGM in corporate events, it has every year once on that day. If the day is passed, the event is finished. Likewise, any such sort of events which we observe, we attend, we celebrate, these events have the time scale or the time limit. If the time passes, once the time has passed, the event is finished. So it is treated as perishable also. So there is a time limit for that event. If the time has finished, the event is finished at that point of time. So these are the features of events, that is uniqueness, intangibility, rituals, personal interactions and time scale. With this, we shall stop in today's class. If you have any kind of doubts, queries, questions, you all can contact me at any point of time. Thank you. Good day.